Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with the roof garden tour for you. So you may have seen my roof terrace makeover series. So I thought I would do a roof terrace tour for you. I'm going to take you all the way around, show you what I did and tell you where everything is from and show you it all now it's all finished. Before we get going, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Okay, let's go and take a look. So this is the view when you first come out. As you can see, I've gone for the black decking. You can go back and watch the previous videos to see how I treated the timber. And then immediately on the left is this area that I like to call the bar area, because we have the bar here, which is what I got from Tiger. I think this was £15, and this folds up, so yeah, it's a great place to store some bottles and to serve drinks from. I just painted this chair that I had already, and the cushion is from Primark. And I've got these shrubs here just to hide the drain pipes a bit, and this one here. And then as you can see, this is where the lights start to begin. So I've strung those all the way along, and they go right the way around to the end there. Those were £9.99 per set from Lidl, and I used 2 sets. Underneath the bar, conveniently, we've got some mint growing, and there's also some wild strawberries in here as well. Let's have a look if we've got any. None at the minute, but there's plenty of mint if you fancy making a mojito or a drink. And I've got this box bush here. This was from Lidl as well. I think these were 2 for £15, and it's done really well. This concrete pot I rescued because it has got a crack in it somewhere. Yeah, it was just a tiny bit cracked and someone threw it out. The fence panels I've painted in this Rust-Oleum chalky finish furniture paint. I think the colour's called Flint. Have a look at the makeover videos previous, and it's got all the details. And this hanging lantern is from IKEA. I've got 3 of those. I'm really pleased with how the lights are working strung up like this. These lanterns are from Poundland, and the chairs are from IKEA. You can have a look at my IKEA shopping vlog if you want to see more about those. And also the rug is from IKEA. The yucca I got for free. Someone was throwing it out, I think again because the pot that it was in was broken. And thank you to the viewers who told me that this is a yucca and not palm. And then I've wrapped it in these copper lights that I got from Amazon. I'll just show you these when they're on. They work really, really nicely. They are solar powered. Sorry about the planes. They are non-stop this evening. We've got some wild strawberries growing here. This box tree was a gift from a friend a few years ago now. I think that's probably over 5 years old. And it came in this lovely pot as well, and that's done really, really well. The sundial over there was a prop on a show that I worked on, and I was just able to keep it at the end as a bit of a souvenir. I need to work out which way around it is to tell the time. I've got the bee house here that was a gift from some friends, which is really cool, the concrete bee house. The grasses are doing quite well. We've got an olive tree here that's got some olives growing. Both of the mirrors are from Hemmer, and I'm really pleased with how they're looking here because I love the way they reflect what's on the bench here that I made out of the offcuts of pallet wood. And it's on casters that I got from the car boot sale. I've planted up these hebes or hebes, however you say it, in these metal containers that I got from Lidl a few years ago. And that metal container there was also from Lidl that's got the other box tree in. I can't remember where I got these from, possibly a car boot sale I think. This little stall came from Marks and Spencer. These Kilner jars are from Poundland. The grasses are from Lidl, and I think the hyacinth was as well as these pots. And this lantern here is from Primark, and I've got a citronella candle on the go in there that came from Poundland. Got the lights strung all the way across and another lantern hanging here. You may remember me saying that I was going to paint this white wall. Well, I haven't got around to fully designing the pattern for it, and I'm still undecided, so I haven't done it yet. It may be something that I do in the future, and if I do, of course, I will share it with you. We've got some plants along the wall. We've got some lavender. Those ones have been munched by the snails. I've got some trailing ivy here, and another of the lanterns here. I've got some geraniums growing down there, and that's the plant that's good for the bees that needs a bit more water. This turns a really nice red colour, this shrub. Another of the grasses that came from Lidl, it's doing really well in a pot that I think was here already when we moved in. And yeah, you've seen the rug. This lantern, oh look at that. I love the way it makes this pattern. I was hoping it would do something like that. That reminds me of ones that I saw in Egypt. So this lantern is from Pound World before it closed down. And we have another small box tree here. This one actually came from a pound shop originally. I think it was the 99p store. And that's probably about 3 years old. So they do grow and develop quite well if you ever do see small plants in the pound shops. We've got a few more of the Hebes or Hebes up on the wall here. And a clematis here on the old chimney stack, which is like this ledge on the right as you come out. And then I've got some heather and another shrub growing in the corner. And I've got the washing line up here and a old rusty watering can that I just thought looked quite cool. And on the wall here we have this cactus that's solar powered, and that again came from Pound World before it closed down. Just give you a bit of a top shot of everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think of it. I know you've kind of seen it already, but I just thought I'd give you a bit more of a detailed tour of the whole space. I'll try to link anything that's still available in the shops down below, and also the paints that I used as well, in case you want to get your hands on any of those. Let me know if you've got any ideas for it as well. Is there anything that you think I've missed, or anything that you think I should add that would be cool? Do let me know in the comments below. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if it's inspired you to do a similar project. And don't forget to tag me in your pictures if you do. I love seeing how you've got on. All of my social media links are down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Did we just get that in? Probably not, but I am going to call it a night. Another plane. Woohoo! And tell you aeroplane. Tell you that there's an aeroplane. And another. My roof garden is a great place if you're interested in aeroplanes. You can watch them fly over every probably 30 seconds. And then you get a little window in between where you can talk without any noise. Okay, so I'll show you how it's looking in the dark with the lights on. Before we get cracking, oh, there's another plane. Look how close they are. I don't stand a chance. If you like aeroplanes, please give this video a thumbs up. We're probably on number 50.